Welcome to the Ultimate Solar System Challenge. Can you guess these cosmic secrets? What is the name of this giant star at the center of our solar system? Is it A, Sirius, B, the Sun, or C, Polaris? It's B, the Sun. It gives us light and heat. Which planet is famous for having these giant, beautiful rings? Is it A, Neptune, B, Mars, or C, Saturn? It's C, Saturn. Its rings are made of ice. Which planet is known as the red planet because of its rusty soil? Is it A, Mars, B, Venus, or C, Jupiter? It's A, Mars. Its rusty soil makes it red. What is the name of Earth's only natural satellite, seen here? Is it A, Titan, B, the Moon, or C, Europa? It's B, the Moon. It orbits Earth every month. What is our home planet, often called the blue planet? Is it A, Uranus, B, Mercury, or C, Earth? It's C, Earth. Water covers most of its surface. What do we call a person who is trained to travel into space? Is it A, astronaut, B, pilot, or C, diver? It's A, astronaut. They train to live in space. Which largest planet in our solar system features this giant red storm? Is it A, Saturn, B, Jupiter, or C, Mercury? It's B, Jupiter. It has a massive red storm. What is this special outfit that keeps astronauts safe in space? Is it A, scuba suit, B, space suit, or C, hazmat suit? It's B, spacesuit. It provides oxygen and safety. What vehicle do we use to launch astronauts and satellites into space? Is it A, airplane, B, helicopter, or C, rocket? It's C, rocket. They break free from gravity. What is this tool used by astronomers to look at distant stars and planets? Is it A, telescope, B, microscope, or C, binoculars? It's A, telescope. It magnifies distant space objects. Which planet is physically closest to the Sun? Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, or C, Earth? It's A, Mercury. It orbits closest to the Sun. What rare event happens when the Moon blocks our view of the Sun? Is it A, meteor shower, B, solar eclipse, or C, northern lights? It's B, solar eclipse. The Moon blocks the Sun. What type of specially packaged food do astronauts eat in space? Is it A, space food, B, fast food, or C, raw food? It's A, space food. It is specially freeze-dried. What is the name of this giant space laboratory orbiting Earth? Is it A, Hubble, B, Mir, or C, space station? It's C, space station. Scientists live and work there. Which planet is the hottest in our solar system due to a thick greenhouse effect? Is it A, Mercury, B, Venus, or C, Mars? It's B, Venus. Thick clouds trap extreme heat. What is this ring of rocky debris located between Mars and Jupiter? Is it A, Kuiper Belt, B, asteroid belt, or C, Saturn's rings? It's B, asteroid belt. It holds millions of rocks. Which icy planet rolls on its side as it orbits the Sun? Is it A, Neptune, B, Uranus, or C, Saturn? It's B, Uranus. It has an extreme tilt. What do we call this ball of frozen dust and ice that grows a glowing tail near the Sun? Is it A, asteroid, B, meteor, or C, comet? It's C, comet. Sun heat creates its tail. Which blue planet is the absolute farthest from the Sun? Is it A, Uranus, B, Neptune, or C, Pluto? It's B, Neptune. It is the most distant planet. What famous object was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006? Is it A, Pluto, B, Ceres, or C, Eris? It's A, Pluto. It is now a dwarf planet. What is the scientific name for a shooting star burning up in Earth's atmosphere? Is it A, meteor, B, comet, or C, supernova? It's A, meteor. They burn up in our atmosphere. What is this robotic wheeled vehicle used to explore the surface of Mars? Is it A, satellite, B, rover, or C, lander? It's B, rover. They drive and explore Mars. What invisible force keeps all the planets orbiting around the Sun? Is it A, magnetism, B, gravity, or C, friction? It's B, gravity. The Sun's mass pulls them in. What is the name of the spiral galaxy that contains our entire solar system? Is it A, Andromeda, B, Milky Way, or C, Triangulum? It's B, Milky Way. Our home galaxy is a spiral. What special vehicle did Apollo astronauts drive on the moon's surface? Is it A, lunar rover, B, space shuttle, or C, moon flyer? It's A, lunar rover. It was an electric moon buggy. What are these large bowl-shaped cavities on the moon caused by space rock impacts? Is it A, volcanoes, B, craters, or C, canyons? It's B, craters. Flying space rocks made them. How long does it take for Earth to complete one full orbit around the Sun? Is it A, 24 hours, B, 30 days, or C, 365 days? It's C, 365 days. That makes one full year. What motion of Earth causes us to experience day and night? Is it A, Earth spinning, B, Sun moving, or C, moon blocking? It's A, Earth spinning. Spinning creates day and night. What is the name of this giant volcano on Mars, the largest in the solar system? Is it A, Olympus Mons, B, Mauna Kea, or C, Mount Vesuvius? It's A, Olympus Mons. It is 3 times Everest's height. Which of Saturn's moons is the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere and liquid lakes? Is it A, Europa, B, Titan, or C, Ganymede? It's B, Titan. It has lakes of liquid methane. Which moon of Jupiter is the largest moon in our entire solar system? Is it A, Ganymede, B, Titan, or C, Callisto? It's A, Ganymede. It is bigger than Mercury. What is the name of the smallest dwarf planet located inside the asteroid belt? Is it A, Pluto, B, Ceres, or C, Makemake? It's B, Ceres. It lives in the asteroid belt. For at least how many centuries has Jupiter's Great Red Spot Storm been observed? Is it A, 10 years, B, 50 years, or C, 300 years? It's C, 300 years. This storm has lasted centuries. What is the name of this famous space probe launched in 1977 that has entered interstellar space? Is it A, Hubble, B, Voyager 1, or C, Cassini? It's B, Voyager 1. It is in interstellar space. What is the name of the freezing region of icy bodies located beyond Neptune's orbit? Is it A, Asteroid Belt, B, Kuiper Belt, or C, Oort Cloud? It's B, Kuiper Belt. It holds icy dwarf planets. Which sulfur-covered moon of Jupiter is the most volcanically active body in the solar system? Is it A, Io, B, Europa, or C, Triton? It's A, Io. It has hundreds of active volcanoes. Which planet is unusual because it spins backwards compared to most other planets? Is it A, Mars, B, Venus, or C, Jupiter? It's B, Venus. It spins backwards on its axis. Which icy moon of Jupiter is famous for having a vast liquid ocean hidden beneath its frozen crust? Is it A, Europa, B, Io, or C, Titan? It's A, Europa. A huge ocean hides under ice. What gas makes up the majority of our sun's mass? Is it A, oxygen, B, hydrogen, or C, helium? It's B, hydrogen. It fuels the sun's core. About how long does it take for light from the sun to reach Earth? Is it A, 8 seconds, B, 8 minutes, or C, 8 hours? It's B, 8 minutes. Sunlight takes time to travel. Which planet is orbited by two tiny potato-shaped moons named Phobos and Deimos? Is it A, Mars, B, Neptune, or C, Uranus? It's A, Mars. Its moons are captured asteroids. What are Saturn's rings mostly made of? Is it A, solid rock, B, liquid water, or C, ice and dust? It's C, ice and dust. They are frozen debris. What is the name of the giant spherical shell of icy comets surrounding the very outer edge of our solar system? Is it A, Kuiper Belt, B, Oort Cloud, or C, heliosphere? It's B, Oort Cloud. It surrounds our solar system. Which moon of Uranus has the most extreme, scrambled, cliff-filled landscape in the solar system? Is it A, Miranda, B, Ariel, or C, Oberon? It's A, Miranda. It features giant rocky cliffs. What do we call the vast bubble-like region of space created by the solar wind that shields our solar system? Is it A, magnetosphere, B, atmosphere, or C, heliosphere? It's C, heliosphere. It acts as a giant shield. Which large moon of Neptune is unique because it orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation? Is it A, Triton, B, Nereid, or C, Proteus? It's A, Triton. It orbits in reverse direction. On which planet is one single day actually longer than one of its years? Is it A, Venus, B, Mercury, or C, Mars? It's A, Venus. It spins very, very slowly. Which small moon of Saturn blasts spectacular plumes of water ice into space from its south pole? Is it A, Mimas, B, Enceladus, or C, Iapetus. It's B. Enceladus. It shoots icy geysers. What is the name of this colossal canyon system on Mars that is 10 times longer than Earth's Grand Canyon? Is it A. Valles Marineris, B. Grand Canyon, or C. Elysium Planitia? It's A. Valles Marineris. It is a massive canyon. Which dwarf planet's moon is so large compared to its host that the two actually orbit each other like a double planet? Is it A. Pluto, B. Ceres, or C. Haumea? It's A. Pluto. Pluto and Charon orbit together. Which fast-spinning dwarf planet is shaped like a stretched-out football or egg? Is it A. Makemake, B. Eris, or C. Haumea? It's C. Haumea. Rapid spinning stretched its shape. What was the first planet in human history to be discovered using a telescope? Is it A. Uranus, B. Neptune, or C. Pluto? It's A. Uranus. It was found in 1781. If Jupiter's massive magnetic field were visible from Earth with the naked eye, how large would it look in our night sky? Is it A. Size of a star, B. Double the moon, or C. Larger than the moon? It's C. Larger than the moon. It is absolutely massive. What was the name of the giant dark storm in Neptune's southern hemisphere, observed by Voyager 2 in 1989? Is it A. Great Dark Spot, B. Black Eye, or C. Neptune Spot? It's A. Great Dark Spot. It later vanished completely. What are the giant radiation belts of trapped charged particles surrounding Earth called? Is it A. Van Allen belts, B. Kuiper belts, or C. Oort belts? It's A. Van Allen belts. Earth's magnetic field holds them. What is the approximate temperature at the very center of the sun's core? Is it A. 15,000 degrees, B. 1.5 million degrees, or C. 15 million degrees? It's C. 15 million degrees. It is incredibly hot. How many space secrets did you unlock? Tell us your score in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more galactic adventures.